For today's video, we will discuss sounds according to the front portion of the tongue. We have here 3 different ways on how to pronounce a word according to the front portion of the tongue. The first one is the long E. The long E. Another one, the long A. Long A. And the last one is the short E. The short E. For example, for the long E, we have lid. Again, lid. For the long A, laid. Laid. And for the short E, led. Led. Again, lid, laid, led. Another example, for the long E, we have meet. Meet. For the long A, we have mate. Mate. And for the short E, we have met. Met. Again, meet, mate, met. Another example, for the long E, we have beat. Beat. For the long A, we have bait. Bait. And for the short E, we have bet. Bet. Again, beat, bait, bet. Thank you for watching.